Hi! In front of me is Motorola G54 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Following that, scroll all the way down and choose Privacy section. Then click on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like camera. Now you need to select one of your apps by clicking on it, in my case Gmail, and apply the best option for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the last option, so when I click and go back, I can see that Gmail no longer have access to my device's camera. But you can always go back, select any feature and look for an app that you wish to manage instead. I will go with Messages. Now, don't pick one of those options, just click on See All Messages Permissions and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!